Okay, number 11, we're going to expand it to at least 5 terms, and what we're going to be using is equating coefficients. So there's an assumption being made that I can do it, and then I multiply both sides with the LCD, and then I get this thing over here. The problem I have now is multiplying it out, all right? So if you were to multiply this thing out, I want to tell you what you get. You get A plus bx plus cx squared plus dx cubed plus ex4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not going to put the f down. All right, I did the 1. Now I got to multiply by minus 4x. All right, so what are you going to get? You're going to get minus 4ax minus 4b x squared minus 4c x cubed minus 4d x 4. That's done. But when it's done, I'm saying it goes on forever, but I'm only going to get 5 terms. That's all I want to get. Let's take a look at this one. What do you get over there? You're going to get 5a x squared. You're going to get 5b x cubed. You're going to get 5c x4. And we need to equate the coefficients. Let me erase this up here. And we're going to equate coefficients now. And with what? Well, the 2 will be matched with the a. So the a is clearly 2. All right? Now, we need a 1 on the x term, which means these coefficients better add up to 1. Let's write that down. 1 equals b minus 4a. 1 equals b. What's a? A is 2, minus 8. All right? So what does this mean b is? B has to be 9. All right? So I'm going to point out where that is in your notes, right here. All right? Let's go to the next thing, and I got to match this thing, right? So this thing has to be minus 3 with the coefficient on the square term. Let's write it down. So minus 3 equals c minus 4b plus 5a. Okay. I'm going to erase some of my work, by the way, because it's not needed anymore. I got the b, I got the a. All right, we got to get that c now, right? Let's write this down. Minus 3. I don't know c, though, do I? Do you know b? B is 9. That's minus 36. Do you know the a? The a is 2. 10. All right? Well, a little bit of work. Not much work, though. Minus 3 equals c minus 26. I'm going to add 26 to both sides, and you get 23. Let me point out where that is. That's right over here. All right? I'm going to write the next thing down, which is these things here. And there's no cubes in the problem, so these coefficients have to add up to 0. Let me write that down for you. D minus 4c plus 5b better be equal to 0. Well, let me get rid of the last thing I did. This over here, I don't need it anymore. And I'm working on getting d now. And let's see if we write that down. D. Well, 4c is, minus 4 times c is going to be minus 80 and 12, minus 92. And 5b is going to be 45. And that equals 0. So d minus 47 equals 0. So d equals 47. I'm going to show you where that's written, right over here. We just have one more coefficient to get. All right, let me outline that for you. We're getting this coefficient over here, which is the coefficient on the 4th degree term. And that's going to be 0 as well. There's no 4th degree term in this 2 plus x minus 3x squared. So let's write that down. So it's going to be a, let's see, minus 4d, and then plus 5c. And that should be equal to 0. All right? Let's see what we get. I'm going to start to erase some of the work. I don't need it anymore. So I'll write this down. E minus 4D. Well, 4 times 40, 160. And then 4 times 7 is 28. So minus 188. And then 5 C's are worth what? 5 C's would be 115. And that better be equal to 0. So E, let's see, minus 73 equals 0, or E equals 73. Let's highlight where that's written. Now, of course, they went further than that. I'm not going further, though, all right? But you can go further if you want. So what do? You write it down now, and you're writing the coefficients down. That's all you're doing now. So what are you going to write down? Well, what's the A? The A is 2. What's the B? The B is 9. What's the C? 23. What's the D? 47. And what's the E? 73. Get your red pen out. See how you did. I'm just checking. We did good. We got 5 terms. What'd they say? Expand to at least 5 terms. We did that. All right, we're done. Thank you.